trips that you plan for the next.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Shesyourfave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, I'll be working with Geeta Hair, and they went ahead and sent me their gorgeous balayage wig unit. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig in 24 inches, 250 density, and body wave. The texture super thick. I'm living for this hair, okay? And can you tell this wig is 100% glueless? Look. So we could literally pull her off at night, put her right back on in the morning, or whenever you see fit. Like, you do not have to be shackled to the whole I have to keep my wig on with glue situation. This wig is 100% glueless. Also, this wig comes with a reinforced band and a band in the back, and that's really what separates Geeta wigs from the rest in order for this wig to be glueless as well. And if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy install, just keep on watching and let's jump into today's tutorial.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it.
They gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Go around, get your my last name. I know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you
got it, girl, you got it. Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it.
I don't wanna play no games. call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Go around, give you my last name. I know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you
got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Play no games. Freaky. I can learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the gram, trying to see that in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. Seeing how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy.
Ask me how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400, I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, so we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss it. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride. Apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Alright you guys, so I am finally back and this is the finished look. This wig is from Geeta Hair and they went ahead and sent me their 250 density 13x4 HD lace frontal wig in body wave, and it is their balayage unit. So as you can see, we're nice and highlighted up and it is in 24 inches. If I were to go back, this is pretty much where the hair is, and honestly this unit is thick, honey. Okay, super duper full. So if I wanted to go in with some curls, I could. I have done Geeta Hair before in body wave, but the last time I did do curls. So this time around I've decided, why not crimps? Like, these are actually cute. So here we are, and this HD lace was so easy to work with, super easy to pluck, bleach, customize, pretty much. Like, everything was smooth sailing if you must, and the hair is to die for. The texture is everything. It's really nice and soft, and of course if you wanted to put some curls in this, perfect. I love doing curls on a Geeta wig. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, I would highly recommend. I'm not having any real issues or any issues with the unit that would be super alarming, and if I did, I definitely would let you guys know. But as for right now, everything is up to par, and again, links for this gorgeous unit will be in my description box for you to purchase. And that is it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.